Assalamualaikum students, hopes you will be fine. Today we will discuss about the second state of matter, that is liquid. Liquid has different properties as compared to solid. Solid has definite shape and also has definite volume. It means solid occupied some space. Both have definite shape and occupied some space. But in case of liquid, liquid has definite volume but no fixed shape. For example, if we pour a water into a vessel, then water will take the shape of the vessel. Or if we pour a water into a beaker, then water will take the shape of the beaker. It means liquid or water has definite volume, means occupied some space, but has no definite shape. Matter is liquid if it changes its shape when you change the container. This means that it does not have a definite shape. For example, if you pour juice into a glass from a bottle, it will take the shape of the glass. Has definite volume. This means that it takes up the some space no matter where you keep it, in a jug or in a bottle. Water, honey and the blood in your body are all examples of the liquid state of matter. Next, the third state of matter is gas. Gas has no definite shape and also has no definite volume. For example, this shopping bag is filled with air and the air inside it takes the shape of the shopping bag. Matter is gas if it has no definite shape. This means that it changes its shape when you put it in another container. Take the example of air, which is a gas. If you fill air inside a balloon, it takes the shape of the balloon. If you pump air into a shopping bag or a beach ball, it will take the shape of this object. No definite volume. This means that it spreads throughout the space provided for it. For example, if you blow air into a balloon, it will spread throughout the space. Air in the balloon and bubbles in the boiling water are some examples of the gaseous state of matter. Now we will move towards the next topic, comparing states of matter. First of all, we will discuss these two questions. How are solids, liquids and gases different from each other? Why do solids have a definite shape but not liquids and gases? And the answer is that it is because of the arrangement of particles in the different states of matter. And you cannot see these particles with an ordinary microscope. Why? Because they are very small. They are even smaller than living cells. That's why we cannot see these particles with naked eye or with an ordinary microscope. Okay students, hopes you will understand. Thank you for listening.